Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to repair corrupted system files in Windows 11 using command prompt. First, open the command prompt as an administrator. Click on the Start button and type CMD. In the search results, right-click on command prompt and choose Run as administrator. If you see a user account control message, click Yes. Now we will repair the Windows system image using the DISM tool. This tool checks the Windows image for problems and downloads clean files if something is damaged. In the command prompt window, type the following command exactly as shown and then press Enter. DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health. This process can take some time. Do not close the window while it is running. After DISM finishes, we will scan and fix system files using SFC. This tool checks all protected Windows files and replaces corrupted ones. Open the command prompt window again if you closed it, type this command and press Enter. SFC/scano. Again, wait for the scan to finish. This may take several minutes depending on your system speed. Finally, restart your computer. Thanks for watching.